Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm working on an offset vertical smoker out here. This is the firebox I'm trying to get put together. That's the chamber on the table behind me. This will be an insulated firebox. It's probably too much firebox for this size of smoker, but this is what they wanted. It definitely doesn't need one this size. This is the outside box that I'm working on. And then this is the inside one that I'm getting going here. It'll kind of fit inside there with a gap all around it. The smoker itself will have 5 racks in it. You've probably seen these get built before. I just haven't done them with this size of firebox. Then you can see how it fits inside there here. That's just bracing and stuff on the front. It kind of comes out to a little chute on the back side, so you can still get insulation back there. If you ever use any of this insulation, make sure you put some long sleeves on. I knew better than to do this with short sleeves and still did it. And my arms itched for about 2 days. I'm laying all against it, and then I had to pick the whole box up with the insulation and push it inside there. But you can see I'm kind of tie wiring it around there. You have to connect it somehow. Silicone or anything like that isn't going to hold it on there. Trimming all the edges off so I can get it inside. Then I got it all finished up, got it welded up. You can see the front faceplate on there. Just trying to get it connected to the chamber now. Maybe a cat trying to go in the firebox. Alright, moving along pretty good here. Got it on the stand, got the table on the side. This will be bare metal. It won't have paint on it. It'll be oiled. This is the door. I've got 2 pieces stacked up there, so I can drill through them at the same time and get that hole in the same place. Those 2 have to be lined up pretty close. Then this is just a vent hole in both of them. Cut that half circle with the circle burner and come back with the straight edge on the other part. Had to get something to hold it. That sucker got hot. That little piece of flat ball burn you up sometimes. Especially in the summertime because it's already hot from laying in the sun. Then I'm trying to frame this little piece inside. I put angle around the outside edge. That'll give me room to put the insulation inside there. Then with it all in there, I'll go back around and stitch weld it. Keep it closed up. This is the angle for the table. Getting it lined out. I just go through and notch it so I can bend it instead of fitting all the different pieces together. I used to fit those pieces together, but this is actually a little faster. Then with those notches, you can clamp it down and bend it over. I didn't get a whole lot of footage on this thing, just kind of random video clips. And I'm over here trying to get this door put on. That's just about the last step of it. I'll pull it out here in a little bit and get a fire built in it so I can get the oil on it. I'll end up giving it at least 2 coats of oil. I've got it finished up here. That's after the 2 coats. You have to keep on doing that. I mean, it's not a one and done type of deal when you oil these smokers. They do have to be oiled again and again. Not every time you use it, but they do have to be oiled. It has 5 racks in it. The inside is seasoned with vegetable oil, and the outside with boiled linseed oil. Everything came out real good on it. The best way to run this, the firebox has 2 notches on it. The closest notch will close it, and the second notch leaves it gapped. It's best to leave it on that second gap where it's the door is gapped open a little bit, and use your exhaust for trying to control the heat. You can see it here. That's the way to run it right there with it opened. And then that's just to keep it closed after use. But running it like that with that stack open up there and use the exhaust, like I say, to control the heat, does a lot better. But anyway, that'll do it on this one. If you're looking for a smoker or a grill or anything, I have my email in the description box. You can shoot me an email. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.